Hi guys, my name is Mariana and hot tools like this are my jam. I've used them all and I can show you how to use them backwards, forwards, but today we're going to check out the StyleWrap Pro from Skin Research Institute. My hairstylist was the one that showed me this and I'm obsessed. This one-of-a-kind tool combines cutting-edge technology like their Coanda Curling, ionic frizz control, and has a quality that's built to last. So let's talk about what makes the StyleWrap Pro stand out.
It's an all-in-one dryer brush with 7 versatile attachments, making it perfect for everything from blowouts to curls and even straightening. Plus, it's foldable, so easy to take with you on the go.
Okay, let's go over each attachment so you can pick the one that's right for your style needs.
The paddle brush is great for straightening and smoothing. This brush works wonders for thicker hair, leaving it sleek without frizz. Then we have the curling barrels, the left and right, for natural symmetrical curls. It has Coanda Curling Technology, so you get beautiful curls without heat damage. The firm bristle dryer brush is ideal for thicker curly hair. It helps to define curls and add a natural lift. The soft bristle dryer brush is perfect for adding volume to fine or thin hair. It gives that classic blowout look with lift and movement. The concentration nozzle is for drying and precision styling in small sections. The smooth dryer brush, and you can use this to tame frizz and flyaways, giving a polished salon finish look.
Now, let's see the StyleWrap Pro in action.
First, pick your desired heat and airflow settings. This tool has a versatile range of settings for all hair types, and don't worry about the frizz because the negative ions work to smooth your hair while adding shine. Begin with towel-dried, damp hair for best results. Attach the tool you need, like the paddle brush, for smooth, straight styles. Choose the heat and speed settings that work best for your hair. Switching between attachments is easy, and the memory function remembers your last setting for seamless styling every time.
The Coanda Curling Technology is a game changer. It creates beautiful curls without extreme heat.
Just wrap the hair around the barrel and let the tool do the work. Finish with the cool shot to lock in your curls. Use the cool shot button to lock in your style for long-lasting hold. The soft bristle dryer brush is perfect for adding body to your roots. It gives you that voluminous blowout look, perfect for adding life to fine hair. Use the smoothing dryer brush to tame any flyaways and get a polished, professional finish. This is also an amazing travel companion. The foldable design makes it easy to pack, and it's built from aviation-grade aluminum for durability. You'll get long-lasting performance and a sturdy tool that feels premium and balanced in your hand.
The StyleWrap Pro by Skin Research Institute is everything you need in one tool. It is fast, powerful, helps reduce the risk of heat damage with versatile settings, memory function, and their advanced technology, and at a price that's way more affordable than similar high-end brands.
So, whether you're looking for smooth, frizz-free results, long-lasting curls, or a quick blowout, the StyleWrap Pro has you covered. Try it out and elevate your hairstyling routine. Be sure to check out the link below to learn more. Thanks for watching and happy styling!